Existence comes from one singular, unified force of pure consciousness. That force is expressed in 7 nuanced varieties, like the colors of the rainbow. Each dimension or level of existence is also expressed through an active force that manifests in physical existence. It begins on the other side of reality, in a great sea of non-existence or negative existence. It creates a substance that evolves into an energy that has enough weight to concentrate and gather force in the primordial point, which becomes the center of an infinite expanse. From that primordial point, is the porthole where pure potentiality builds and builds and builds until it pours forth and is expressed in pure dynamic force. That force is like a straight line, going and going and going with no direction. It's chaotic until it is received and restricted and brought into form by discipline, boundary, and limitation. That represents the superior mother, the supernal mother who's been fertilized by the supernal father, the supernal masculine force, and now consciousness can begin to form in the womb of creation, where all of life springs forth. From there, the burgeoning consciousness moves through these subtle forces and evolves until eventually it is birthed through the porthole of the astral realms into the physical realm, through our psyche, through our soul, and where we embody this consciousness in the world to be healthy, functional, Adam Kadmon, the universal man.